Welcome to Subchick's best places to paddleboard in and around Glasgow. Starting with the closest and most convenient location, we have the Forth and Clyde Canal, which runs through the city. With many locations to launch along the banks, there is a great choice on offer. Hidden in plain sight, this secret gem is becoming a popular location for local paddleboarders as they rediscover what their city has to offer. This wonderful resource offers some of the most sheltered and peaceful paddling to be had, and with one of the many pontoons to launch from, can be a great location for beginners and social paddle sessions alike. For those wanting a challenge, the Forth and Clyde Canal joins with the Union Canal at the Falkirk Wheel, which continues on into Edinburgh. For more information on the best places to paddleboard on the Forth and Clyde Canal, click on this link to watch our video. Slightly further afield is a beautiful Loch Lomond, the second largest loch in Scotland. As one of the most popular and well-known lochs in Scotland, Loch Lomond is a handy 30-minute drive northwest of Glasgow and has many locations to launch your paddleboard from. Choose from either the quieter eastern shore or the more protected and more popular western shore. The more adventurous paddlers may enjoy an island hopping adventure amongst some of Loch Lomond's 23 islands. For more information on the best places to paddleboard on Loch Lomond, click on this link to watch our video. The area known as the Trossachs is to the east of Loch Lomond and forms the Loch Lomond and Trossachs National Park. This region is well known for its beauty and proximity to Glasgow and Stirling and has a great range of freshwater lochs to explore by paddleboard, each with their own vibe and atmosphere, and all of them beautiful in their own unique way. For more information on the best places to paddleboard in the Trossachs, click on this link to watch our video. Check out our website, the link is in the description. Thanks for watching our video. If you enjoyed it and found it helpful, please support us by liking, subscribing, clicking notification and sharing with your paddleboarding mates. While you're here, check out some of our other videos. See you next time.